Umuthe uma muthenya wa muthia wa kuheana mawoni megi mutaratara wa kigina uria urahariririo wa 2025-2026 kuria gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia umundu na makiria ciigi githomo Elimu Bora working group onakio kiheanite mendekithia mao megi banjeti ino. Gikundi giki kiugite kigina kiria githukiirwo githomo kia muthingi ni kinini makiria kuona ni ciringi birioni 12.7 kuria mendekithitio kiongererwo nginyagia ciringi birioni 41 kuona namba ya arutwo aria matanyitwo kugunika ni milioni 8.2.
Whereas the government of Kenya Economic Survey 2025 indicates that 8.2 million learners were in the primary schools in 2024, the financial year 2026-2025 budget estimate has only targeted to benefit 6.97 million learners, implying that 1.3 million learners have been left out.
A lot has been done to ensure that learners with special needs are in schools. So any threat that is going to threaten learners with special needs to continue with their learning is something that should be addressed very fast. So capitation to these schools should actually be arriving before the learners get there.
Maugete hari kigina giothe kiria githukiirwo githomo ni kibatie guthathaurwo makiria niguo kumenyekane ni mbeca cigana ithukiirwo githomo kia muthingi JSS na secondary makiuga ona kigina kia irio mathukuru-ini ni kibatie kuongererwo kuma ciringi birioni 3.6 nginyagia ciringi birioni 25.
Tunaona ile bajeti ambayo imepeanwa itawalisha wanafunzi kwa muda wa siku 21 peke yake. Tukijua muda wa shule wanafunzi wanaenda shule for 180 days. So the budget that has been allocated can only feed learners for 21 days. Kwa hivyo tunasema kwamba waongeze bajeti waipe bilioni 25 ili mwanafunzi aweze kupata angalau chakula siku moja.
Thukuru nyingi ni iri ikoretwo igithinika ni kwaga mai ma kuigana ma guthingatithia utheru mathukuru-ini undu uria maugite ni ubatie gukuruhanio budget-ini na oho gukorwo na kigina gia kuigana gia kwandika arutani na oho kumafundithia. Na ciigie mathomo ma university na thukuru cia kothi cia moko maugite kigina makiria ni kirabatarania makiuga kigina gia ciringi birioni 72 nikio kirabatarania gia kuriha mathiri ma universities na kingiaga nyingi ciacio cia ya kuhinga.
Comment that there is need for clarity if there is indeed any capitation for students in different institutions and show the amount of money per student and the targeted number of students per year. So the meager increment in university funding is insignificant and has not factored in the following: the 72 billion pending bills for public universities, either whole in part, no evidence of commitment to clear the same. So we ask that this be factored in the budget to forestall closures and redundancies.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni Jetagwo Wagoi wa Muirori.